Have you ever pondered the idea of working in Greece during winter? Picture the mild Mediterranean climate, a stark contrast to the biting cold many are used to. The calm and tranquility of the Greek winter offers a serene backdrop for work, a refreshing change from bustling summer crowds. It's a season where the winter chill is just a gentle breeze, and the pace of life slows down, allowing you to focus and thrive. Imagine working in a setting where the winter chill is just a gentle breeze, and you can communicate in your own language. Think about this. Wouldn't it be wonderful to work in a foreign country, yet speak your own language? Imagine opportunities abound in Greece where you can leverage your language skills in various roles. Whether it's customer service, teaching, or even in the vibrant tourism industry, your language is your asset. Greece warmly welcomes all, breaking down language barriers. It's about connecting cultures, and what better way than through your own language? So, not only do you get to experience the charm of Greece, but you also get to do it in a language you're comfortable with. To sum it up, working in Greece during winter means embracing a unique blend of mild weather, serene work settings, and the comfort of your own language. Imagine while others are bundled up against the freezing cold, you can enjoy a more temperate winter, with gentle sunshine warming your workdays. The peaceful Greek environment is a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle typically associated with work, providing an atmosphere that fosters creativity and productivity. Perhaps the most striking feature is the opportunity to work in your own language. It's like bringing a piece of home to your job, making the transition smoother, and the experience richer. Companies like Patrique Mercier Recruitment are making this dream a reality, assisting job seekers in finding their perfect role in Greece, tailored to their language and skills. So why not take the leap and explore the opportunity to work in Greece during winter? It could be the experience of a lifetime you've been waiting for.